1. Which is the outermost planet in the solar system? A. Mercury. B. Pluto. C. Neptune. D. Uranus. To the Sun is A. Star. B. Planet. C. Asteroid. D. Meteor. 3. Which from the following is not a conductor? A. Aluminium. B. Gold. C. Graphite. D. All are conductors. 4. In a very low temperature, which from the following will freeze at last? A. River water. B. Canal water. C. Sea water. D. Water in a lake. 5. The planet which is easily visible from the Earth is A. Mercury. B. Venus. C. Mars. D. Jupiter. 6. What is dry ice? A. Solid oxygen. B. Solid carbon dioxide. C. Solid hydrogen. D. Solid nitrogen. 7. The good sources of vitamin B complex are A. Green leafy vegetables. B. Seeds. C. Fresh vegetables and fruits. D. Seafoods. 8. Water covers of the Earth's surface. A. 61%. B. 67%. C. 71%. D. 76%. 9. The 3 elements needed for healthy growth of plants are A. N. P. K. B. N. C. T. C. N. K. D. N. S. P. 10. Which of the following elements is not present abundantly in Earth's crust? A. Silicon. B. Radium. C. Aluminum. D. Carbon. 11. Dr. Abdul Salam of Pakistan was one of the contributors of the unification of A. Electromagnetic force and gravitational force. B. Electromagnetic force and weak nuclear force. C. Gravitational force and weak nuclear force. D. Weak nuclear force and strong nuclear force. 12. Dry ices. A. Methane hydrate. B. Liquid nitrogen. C. Solid carbon dioxide. D. Frozen water. 13. Diamond is a very expensive ornament. It is composed of a single element. A. Carbon. B. Gold. C. Silver. D. Platinum. 14. Monsoon is caused by A. Seasonal reversal of winds. B. Revolution of Earth. C. Movement of clouds. D. Rise in temperature. 15. The fruits without seed, like banana, are called A. Seedless fruits. B. Parthenogenesis fruits. C. Parthenocarpic fruits. D. Placental fruits. 16. The principle used in radar is the same as that of sonar. In radar we use radio waves, whereas in sonar we use A. Red waves. B. Infrared waves. C. Ultrasonic. D. Supersonic. 17. Magnifying power of a simple microscope can be increased by A. Increasing focal length of the lens. B. Decreasing focal length of the lens. C. Lens of large aperture. D. Lens of short aperture. 18. Total volume of blood in a normal adult human being is A. 5 to 6 liters. B. 3 to 4 liters. C. 8 to 10 liters. D. 10 to 12 liters. 19. Which is the largest gland in the human body? A. Thyroid. B. Liver. C. Pancreas. D. None of these. 20. Which of the following diseases is caused by virus? A. Smallpox. B. Tuberculosis. C. Malaria. D. Cholera. 21. Which part of the camera is analog to the retina in the human eye? A. Lens. B. Film. C. Aperture. D. Shutter. 22. TV transmission cannot cover a very large area because A. The strength of TV waves is very limited. B. Picture cannot be transmitted clearly after a specific distance. C. The shape of the earth is spherical. D. The air is not a good conductor of light and sound waves. 23. Water is a highly effective coolant for a car engine because A. Water is good conductor of heat. B. Water has very high specific heat capacity. C. Water boils at a comparatively high temperature. D. Evaporation of water produces lot of cooling. 24. The theory of expanding universe was first propounded by A. Einstein. B. Newton. C. Galileo. D. Hubble. 25. The dominant phase of life cycle in these organisms is haploid. A. Mosses. B. Bacteria. C. Protozoa. D. None.
26. The Earth is divided into 15 major plates of various sizes. A. Mesosphere. B. Stratosphere. C. Lithosphere. D. None. 27. Geiger-Müller counter is used to detect A. Protons. B. Neutrons. C. Photons. D. None. 28. Which of these is not a region of the spinal cord? A. Thoracic. B. Pelvic. C. Lumbar. D. None. 29. A tightrope walker carries a long pole which he holds across his body. The purpose of this pole is to A. Prop him up if he falls. B. Spread out his weight and reduce the pressure on the rope. C. Add extra weight to keep the rope tightly stretched. D. To keep the center of gravity always vertically above the rope. 30. The protons and neutrons are found in the center of the atom, which is called the of the atom. A. Nucleus. B. Headquarters. C. Hub. D. None of these. 31. Vertebral column in human beings consists of how many vertebrae? A. 5. B. 10. C. 12. D. 33. 32. Which of these plants open its mouth when insects sit on its lid? A. Sunflower. B. Pitcher plant. C. Brassica plant. D. None of these. 33. Short sight defect could be corrected by A. Lens. A. Concave lens. B. Convex lens. C. Converging lens. D. None of these. 34. Sunlight is a great source of A. Vitamin C. B. Vitamin T. C. Vitamin E. D. Vitamin K. 35. Current stage of star sun is A. White dwarf. B. Red giant. C. Yellow dwarf. D. Orange dwarf. 36. The pancreas secretes A. Insulin. B. Vitamin A. C. Bile juice. D. None of these. 37. When a star becomes a singularity and has zero volume and infinite density, it is called A. White dwarf. B. Blue giant. C. Wolf-Rayet star. D. Black hole. 38. Which one is the brightest star in the night sky? A. Betelgeuse. B. Sirius. C. Rigel. D. Polaris. 39. Which of the following is a substance? A. Sea water. B. Brass. C. Tape water. D. Graphite. 40. All of the following are electromagnetic radiations except A. Red light. B. Sound waves. C. X-rays. D. Photon. 41. The stone formed in human kidney consists mostly of A. Calcium oxalate. B. Sodium acetate. C. Magnesium sulfate. D. Calcium. 42. Afternoon rains in the equatorial region are the result of influences A. Land breeze. B. Monsoon. C. Frontal. D. Convectional. 43. Bore is caused by A. Rising tide while meeting river currents. B. Friction from prevailing winds. C. Spring tide and strong winds. D. Unequal heating of oceans. 44. Which vitamin gets destroyed on heating? A. B. 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 E. C. C. K. D. C. D. 45. What is the element required for solar energy conversion? A. Ultra pure carbon. B. Silicon. C. Beryllium. D. Tantalum. 46. Which among the following is responsible for producing color of human skin? A. Insulin. B. Vitamin K. C. Melanin. D. DNA. 47. Sum of all ecosystems is classified as A. Aerosphere. B. Ionosphere. C. Biosphere. D. Ozonosphere. 48. Big Bang was an explosion that occurred A. 10 billion years ago. B. 15 billion years ago. C. 20 billion years ago. D. 25 billion years ago. 49. What is the height of the atmosphere layer? Mesosphere. A. 85 kilometers. B. 50 kilometers. C. 40 kilometers. D. 10 kilometers. 50. Which of the following conditions related to smoking involves damage to the alveoli sacs? A. Lung cancer. B. Atherosclerosis. C. Emphysema. D. Asthma.